Hello guys, this is Quadricorn Wiener here showing you a video on how to make every staff and I'll have a video on how to upgrade them. I almost said upload in like a while. Just been busy and sorry it's like late, but okay. Oh yeah, in the gameplay it's from my friend mysterhypocrit and this is his voiceover, so I'll be back in at the end. Bye.
Okay, so this first one is how to build the blue staff, which is the staff of ice. So you want to get the record. This is how every staff weapon is built upon. You need to get a record to start the whole building process off. And with the staff, since it's a staff of ice, you can only collect parts for this when the map actually contains snow on the map. So when it snows, you see these dig options on the map, and if you pick up a shovel, you can dig these up, and you'll find your staff parts that way. And like I'll say it again, you can only find the parts for the ice staff when it's actually snowing. If it changes weather, you're going to have to just play it out and wait a few rounds until you get all those parts. So when you have, go to the back of the church, place down a gramophone, and you need the 2 musical items around the map to find them. They're not too difficult to find. Once you've got the teleporter, you're teleported to the crazy place, and here you can pick up the ice part for the staff and then teleport back. And then after that, you just got to go to where the Pack-a-Punch area is, go downstairs, place the gramophone on the table if you haven't already to unlock this staircase, and on the bottom should be 4 statues, and there will be an option where there will be one with blue that you can see right there, and you'll be able to craft the ice staff right there. And there you go guys, that's how you get the ice staff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the orange staff. So here we go, this is the orange staff. So what you want to do is you want to open up this area here into the church, and around inside the church, not necessarily in this area here, you will see a disc which you've got to pick up, and then after that you've got to collect orange parts. So the very first part you actually get from killing the new Panzer Soldat soldiers, which come after you every certain amount of rounds. Once you've killed them, I'm not too sure if there's a certain number that you have to kill, just one, but it will drop a part, which is awesome. And you go over to the generator 6, and when you've completed that, it will open a chest giving you another piece of the staff, and this is just behind the back of the church. And the last part here is actually quite interesting. You wouldn't actually notice it if you weren't a keen looker. So here we go, we're spectating Liam for the winter here, and in the sky, when it's raining, only when it's raining, you will see a aeroplane with an orange glow. If you shoot that aeroplane down, it will shoot down this object with an orange glow, and you can pick up that piece, and that is the final piece. So after that, go back to the spawn room and head out, and then left into this cave here, put down the musical items that you built there, and you'll go into the area and you'll pick up the piece. So obviously this isn't the orange piece, but we couldn't get footage of that because it's the theatre mode kind of corrupted a little bit, but you get the idea. You just go over to the orange section inside that underground place, and then just pop down here again, just like you would when you were building the ice staff, and then you just go over to the orange podium and you'll be able to craft the fire staff. So there you go guys, that's how to get the fire one. Alright, so now we're moving on to the purple staff. So of course, in true staff fashion, you need to find the appropriate disc, and this may not necessarily be in this location every time. It will be in locations similar or near to it, but it won't exactly always be there, so just take a good look around the map if you can't find it. So now we've got that purple disc. Around the map you need to use the tank, and there'll be points where you can jump off onto ledges where you may not normally be able to access unless you use the tank. So this one is in the church. You may have gone in the church and seen that part there and you're thinking, how the hell do I get that? This next part is near the digging site, the main part with the Pack-a-Punch, and down in this little hallway here at the end you can see a part right there floating there. And this last one is when you first get on the tank, you can't miss it. You hop off onto this kind of like sniper balcony, that's what I think it looks like, and you head down here across this bridge and you can see the part right there. So there you go, that's all of the parts done for the staff. And then of course when you've done that, So now once you've got all those parts, you want to come over to this part of the map near Stamina Up, and there'll be the Lightning Cave, which is the place where you will need to put down the gramophone to be able to get this part. Now you need to find the correct caves which go to the correct pieces that you need, so just look out for those. So now we're in this weird underground place again, and we pick up the purple piece, and there we go, we've got the last piece for that stuff. So again, make your way down to the underground area under the pack-a-punch, go over, put the gramophone in if you haven't already to unlock the staircase, and then on the bottom where the purple podium is, you will find waiting for you your lightning staff, which is in my opinion one of the better ones that you can get out of the four. Anyway, on to the last one. So here is the last and final staff, the yellow staff. So what you want to do to find this is of course find the record, and I'm going to show you the locations for where this can spawn. So you want to look, it could be here. If you go down into the tunnels for lightning, you'll see it there, or there. Once you've picked that up, you need to locate robots around the map walking, and you need to find the foot of the robot which has the lights on underneath, because you need to open that by shooting it, and it will actually take you inside the robot. I know it's pretty crazy. When you go inside, you'll find a piece, and you need to do that for all three of the robots. So the one on the far left, you can only access inside of it if you're in the back side of the church, in the garden area there, and on the right side you need to try and make sure that you're looking out for that robot who's walking around on the right, and find a suitable place for you to get inside that with the foot that is lit up. Once you've got all three parts, come over to generator 4, and to the left there'll be a little cave area where you can come down, and of course place your gramophone there and enter the crazy place and pick up the stone that is required for getting this. Of course we haven't got new footage of picking up any other stone again, so you're going to see this one again, but you get the idea. Once you've picked it up, go over to the area where you can get those staffs, and you'll have all four of the staffs. Now that is an Easter egg step actually, so if you do that, you'll be one step closer to completing it, and you'll have some badass weaponry to use with those elemental staffs. So have fun with it, guys. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to smash the like button. I hope I helped you guys out with this, and stay tuned for more Origin videos coming soon. Thank you.